Very good morning, my friend. Most welcome in my channel. We are coming back again with some information, a news update from science field and scholarship positions. Let's start once again. Scientific news update. It's from coming vaccine, corona vaccine from the UK, Oxford University. This is the human trial. Second stage going on. New RNA vaccines of the 13 new trials are around the going on. This is the one of the best. This is the most successful vaccines right now is looking for the forward. Maybe it will come in the August or September in the market level. So we will just waiting for the vaccines, the result after these trials. So we will hope we will get positive results because corona is nowadays most pandemic and most deadly for whole human society. Now coming in the next news is the coronavirus. This is the one of the most important thing. Corona causing insulin producing cells attack on them, then on pancreas cells, where they induce type 1 type of diabetic patient in healthy people. So this is one of the research finding is that if the peoples who got the infection from the corona, maybe chances where he will get the type 1 type of diabetic infections. So this is another research news update. So stay secure from where you are. So need to be careful from the infection from the corona like deadly viruses. Now second news is the third news is that scientists have successfully treated Parkinson's diseases in mice with the help of one-time treatment generating new neurons. The scientist is doing the research and they produce some new neurons in the patient who are suffering from the Parkinson like disease, where the neurons lose their communication, attachment with the other neurons. So the body is not controlled by the brain. Human society, the blood is just fluctuating. So now the scientists try to develop new neuron that communicate, that can be adjust to each other, so body will be recovered from the infection like pancreas Parkinson. Next news is from coming from the CRISPR gene therapy, sickle cell anemia diseases, how to treat from this type of diseases, because in the sickle cell anemia number 6 is valine changes into the spirulina. So this is the one of these valine mutations caused by some normal genes. So cells of the RBC become the sickle cells. This is the changing number 6 glutamic acid change into the valine. So we need to be some CRISPR, CRISPR gene therapy. So remove this type of mutation and the cell become normal. In this therapy, the patient who are suffering from the sickle cell anemia diseases. Let's start another news from the science. Researchers built world's smallest motors consisting of the 16 atoms. It's 1 lakh times smaller than the diameter of human hairs. They have established a new motors, that is a neuron motors, that type of cells that here they may develop a 16 atoms. This is only the made of the 16 atomic atoms. There is no small, very small type of things, so they can use for the other purposes. Let's start with another scientific news. What is the related from the historical background? Archaeologists discovered the massive stones from the more than the 5,000-year-old ring stones. This is in UK. These are the Bath, near to Bath area, where you can find this offering. But instead of the lives believe Neolithic ancestor, if you go for the ancestor historical evolution of the human society, then you understand what is the Neolithic era, ancestral age, where the human, Homo sapiens was just transforming from the ape to human cells. So this is another type of the historical background you need to be go and study for this human evolutionary process. Now let's come in the universe levels. The Pluto, this is the 10th ancestor type of the that type of the planet, where generally is not including right now, but the scientist is finding that frozen exteriors, which is existed millions of years. The study reveals that there is a ocean found inside their surfaces, but it was now extinct. Maybe it was millions of billions of years ago. It was the ocean. that type of the report were finding there. So it's another type of miracle scientific study was there. So we will see that science is showing lots of things we are not understand what is going on in the universe, in the planet, in our human body system. So we need to update ourselves daily basis. So you watch my video daily basis. And next other news is the science is confirmed the possibility of generating energy from the black holes. If the space energy was there, space systems were working there, space there is a lot of energy they need, either they from the solar panel, the other panel, but now they are thinking they will capture the energy, they will make a source for energy in the space regions from the black hole systems. This is the another type of discovery, but how they can use, you can need to be go and study in the Googles where you find more detail about these things. So let's see what's the new things will be. Now we are coming in the last section. The last section is a scholarship section. If you really want to go for higher education without IELTS, a GRE program in European University, from this scholarship, Austria, the country is a beautiful country, Institute of Science and Technology. In this website you will go and find master, MPhil, bachelor degree or PhD programs. This is the 100% scholarship. They cover all these things. If you really want to go upcoming sessions, they definitely apply this and choose the scholarships for your higher educations, because most of things, if you really want to study in this university, and this university is also offering, if you are really go for bachelor to PhD program, if you are dreaming for PhD, this is the fully funded scholarship, you apply for them. Hoping you like my videos and enjoying this. If you did really like, please subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Thank you so much for watching.